Did you know that permission sets are one of the most important security features in Salesforce? In this video, you will learn about Salesforce permission sets and permission set groups. If you're not familiar with permission sets, they allow you to grant special access to users without needing to create additional profiles. We are going to take a look at how to group permission sets together, how to assign permission sets to guest user, and as an added bonus, how to assign licenses for managed packages. We tucked a special bonus tip right at the end, so be sure and stick around to learn all of the hacks that we have for you. My name is Stacy and I'm from Chargent. Are you a Salesforce admin or consultant who wants to learn more about payments? Then you are in the right place. Let's dig in. What are permission set groups and how do they work? Salesforce admins can now create permission set groups to simplify extending users' access without changing their profiles. Let's head over to Salesforce Setup and create one now. In this example, we will be creating a permission set group for some Chargent permission sets. Step 1. Type permission set into the Setup Quick Find box and click on Permission Set Groups. To create a new group, we will click on the New Permission Set Group button and enter a few details. Let's name it Chargent Anywhere Users, give it an API name, and a description. Step 2. Once the permission set group has been created, we need to add permission sets to it. Click the Permission Sets in Group link and then the Add Permission Set button. Let's select the Chargent Payment Console and Chargent Payment Request permission sets, and then click the Add button. Now click Done. Step 3. Let's go back to our permission set group and assign the new permission set group to a user by clicking Manage Assignments. Click the Add Assignments button and select the users you want to grant these permissions to. Click Done, and that's it. One quick thing, we've made a special checklist for you on 10 ways to make Salesforce payments safe, easy, and profitable. So check that link in the description below. You might be saying, well, wait, what about site guest users? If you haven't already noticed, the site guest user wasn't listed as a user when clicking the Add Assignments button. To assign permission sets to a site guest user, we will need to navigate to the site they use in Setup. To do that, start typing sites in the Setup Quick Find box and click on Sites. Find the site you are looking for and click on it. In this case, we will select the payment request site used with Chargent Payment Request. Next, click on Public Access Settings and then Assigned Users. You will now see the full name of the site guest user. Click on the name and then click the Permission Set Assignments shortcut link near the top of the page. Now click the Edit Assignments button. In the Available Permission Sets list, let's select Permission Set for Payment Request Base and Permission Set for Payment Request Chargent Orders. Now click the Add arrow. Now click Save, and you're done. The Chargent admin can apply additional permissions using the Manage User Permissions tab in Chargent Settings. This simplifies things even more. And here is your added bonus. Many AppExchange apps like Chargent require 2 items to be applied. The permission sets that we just talked about and a user license must be applied to a user, so you have 2 layers of permissions to grant your Salesforce users access. Step 1. To add a license to a user, head back over to the Quick Find box and type Installed Packages. Find the Chargent Orders package and click Manage Licenses. Step 2. Next, click on Add Users. Select the users you want to have a license and click the Add button. Now do the same thing for the Chargent Anywhere package and you're all set. And now check out this next video, where you learn how to use Chargent Payment to collect payments faster with less PCI scope. My name is Stacy, and at Chargent, we're dedicated to helping Salesforce customers like you keep your payments simple. And remember, we're always here to help.